Hi, good day. I'm Edgar Kalau. This is my paper review too. Smart Grid, the Future of Electric Energy System, authored by Roger N. Anderson, Reza Ghaffarian, and Hamid Garave. What were their goals and objectives for this research? A primary objective for the smart grid is to improve our capacity to use more, but cheaper electric to power the improvements in the standard of living of all people on planet Earth. They want to show how smart grids can lead to a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable energy system. This could include reducing costs, integrating renewable energy sources better, and minimizing outages. Also, they want to convince people that smart grids are worthwhile investment for the future. How they have gathered relevant data. While the exact source of smart grid, the future of electric energy system is unclear. The authors likely gathered data in a few key ways. They probably review existing research on smart grids to understand current knowledge. They might have also analyzed real-world smart grid project to see how they functions in practice. Additionally, they could have interviewed experts or conducted surveys to get insights from people involved in the field. This combination of research methods likely helped them build a strong understanding of smart grids and their potential impact on the future of electricity. How did they form the data set? The authors, researchers are most likely formed data set came from existing research. This could involve studies on smart grids, reports from utility companies, or even government statistics. The authors might have also incorporated data from the real-world smart grid projects if available. This wouldn't be their own data collection, but rather analysis of existing information on how this project functions. By combining these sources, we could build a strong foundation for the research on smart grids. How do they process the data on how do they develop the model? The authors from the review, Smart Grid, the Future of Electric Energy System, process the data or build a model is unclear without more information about the source. However, in general, they likely clean and organize the data they have gathered from the various sources. This could involve fixing errors and making sure everything is consistent. Then, they might have used charts or other tools to analyze the data and find patterns or trends that show how smart grids work and what benefits they offer. Building a model would be an extra step used for specific research questions that need to predict future outcomes or simulate how a smart grid might function under different circumstances. What were their findings? Specific result of the findings of smart grid, the future of electric energy system are uncertain without a confirmed source. Research on smart grid typically highlights these potential benefits. Increase efficiency. Smart grids can optimize energy use, reducing overall consumptions and waste. Improve reliability. They can detect and respond to problems faster, minimizing outages. and disruptions. Greater integrations of renewables. Smart grids can seamlessly integrate renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. Cost reductions. By optimizing energy use and minimizing losses, smart grids can lead to lower costs for consumers and utilities. Environmental benefits. Increased efficiency and renewable energy integration can contribute to a more sustainable energy in the future. What were their gaps in their studies or findings? While the exact source of smart grid, the future of electric energy system is unclear. There might be some gaps in their findings review like this often focus on the technical upside of smart grids but might not explore social aspects like public opinion or the complex regulations needed for widespread adoption. Cybersecurity risks, which are important with increased communication technology, might also be a missing piece. The review likely highlights the potential cost savings of smart grids, but a detailed breakdown of costs and benefits for specific situation might be beyond its scope. Finally, the long-term social and environmental impacts of large-scale smart grid implementation might not be fully addressed. Thank you for watching to my video presentation on smart grid, the future of electric system cybersecurity.